Hi, this is Glenda, and today's soap was actually not made by me. It was made by my husband as part of the Collaborator challenge from the Soap Challenge Club. The day before, I did mix the micas for him, or the vinyl glitter, and next it's just him making the soap. So, so in that container over there is the live water
This?
solution.
Okay.
Well, first I like to take temperature. So take the temperature of
What is this?
it's the oils.
So it's 104
And
point,
100.
103.8.
What you will do is that you will add this to that.
How much?
You want to, it's gonna be all of it, but try to, it might splatter, so maybe you pour it on top of this,
Okay. And then all of it?
all of it.
I don't need to mix it? So pour all of it slowly, right?
Mm-hmm. And now you can stir it with the spatula.
Fast, slow. Doesn't
Yeah,
matter.
just like you're doing it, it's fine. Oh, and the light water was room temperature because I mixed it last night.
And is this gonna, looks like it's turning color.
Yeah, so you can start maybe with the stick blender now.
Okay. Is there some place I can put this or?
You can put it on top of this.
So, do I need to do anything to this?
Remember to burn.
And then low?
On low, and just to and now just stir it. You see how you see the oil?
Yes.
So we're gonna do it until
You don't
you
see
don't
it.
see that. And I just continue stirring it because it takes a little while. And this recipe has more fluid oils. Lift it.
You can see it. I can see it.
But is it living in a trace?
Yes. Right there, you can see the trace.
Lift it up there. And go like this. But go like this when you lift it
What are you
up.
talking about?
When you lift it, go like that.
Oh, the soap thing?
Yeah. Okay, now put it back. Now, do you see the trace?
Yeah, what are those swirl things?
It's not quite. Okay. So, tilt it so it covers the metal piece.
Okay.
No, look. Yeah, it looks like it's coating it. You see, it's not breaking.
Oh, I don't know what you mean by trace.
I think it is there.
No, it looks like it's. See.
And if you wrote on it, could you say if you make a heart, could you see the heart?
Okay, let me see. Not all the way, but
Oh yeah, it is there. You can see
yeah,
it.
I can see
Okay,
that.
so that it's right. You don't
Okay.
have to do it anymore.
Okay. Do we need to wipe this?
No, just put it on top of that. Okay, now the fragrance.
You wanna say what fragrance this is?
It's Seventh Heaven from Nurture Soap.
Do I just pour it like that?
Yeah, because you're gonna mix it with the spatula. It's supposed to behave well, that's why I see.
Ooh, this feels totally different.
It changed colors.
Yeah, but also the thickness. You
Just-
can tell like it's different.
Yeah. because it's in trace.
Okay.
It's hard to see because with distance I can't see really well if I'm not in front of it. Okay,
Do
so
you want
now
to see it?
yeah, no, it's fine. So now we're gonna weigh out. Let's see, I don't know. We're gonna put about 8 ounces. We want all the colors to be about the same.
Correct.
Okay, so you can use. I'm gonna tear it out.
Yeah, okay. Okay,
And
that's some
then
ounces, okay.
leave that there, and then you're gonna pour 8 ounces in it.
So pour this into it. This is like putting gas, you're looking at the numbers. I don't want to get it exact.
Why?
Because that's what it should be, right? I mean, otherwise you have a different...
But I think it would be good if there is more of some colors than others.
I definitely don't want too much of the white.
So we may pour out some back of the white and add it to another one.
It smells good.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's very lemony, but it also has like a cedar or something.
Yeah.
Some wood seed. And this has some neon orange on it.
Is there a way to make it a little darker? Like a little darker orange, because this will become lighter.
Let's see.
If not, this is fine. It might be fine.
We can add a little.
No, actually, this is good.
You sure?
I like it. Yeah, I like it. It just initially didn't look so, but now that it's mixed,
Okay.
it looks good.
So now, hold on.
Okay, now what?
Now remember in the video how they added it one way like this, and then they just added.
Yes.
Well, first you need to add your base. I don't know which color you want the base to be.
Yeah.
You
I
could
think
do
green.
green. Okay.
So, just a very thin layer. What's in here?
Water, because I washed it.
So, just a thin layer, right?
Yeah.
All of it?
No, I think you want to save some for later too.
And then just go to the next color?
But remember to go this way, like this.
No, not this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
And are you going to put all the blue at once, or are you going to alternate them?
Well,
Put some now.
I want to save some for later. But it doesn't look like I filled all of it. Like the green. But that's okay.
And because it's somewhat thick now, you may want to try pouring a little bit higher so it does go like a drop.
Okay. And now I'm going this. Now I'm going this way, right?
No.
I'm still going this way.
Yeah, always the same way.
Oh, so first layer I did wrong.
But it didn't matter because it's the bottom one. So you were not doing swirls on it. And if it's easier, you can even put it the other way.
Does it completely need to be filled?
The mold will be completely full at the
No,
end.
no, I mean like the color.
No.
I shouldn't be able to see any blue at all?
No, you should be able to see blue. It'd be good if you see blue.
Okay, so now I'll go with white. You said to do it from higher up, right?
Yeah, see how it goes down?
Oh, I
then
didn't
it
do the
becomes a
purple
drop.
like that.
But the white will push it down. So even though you didn't do it like that, the ones on top can push them down. So they'll become more like the drops or...
Hmm. Following directions.
It's okay. You're doing good.
Yeah, this is going all the way down.
And also with the first layers, it's hard because you don't have a lot of where is it going to go down to, you know. There's not a lot of depth on the soap yet.
This reminds me of mango now.
That yellow, yeah, it looks like mango lassi. Oh, maybe we should go for Indian.
This is gonna come out interesting.
Yeah, I think so. Wonder what how the first layers are gonna look like.
Yeah, I don't think I did a good job with that. The first two layers.
Usually the first soap anybody makes has to be no fragrance, no color, because then you can tell for real what's trace, what's not trace, and everything. So it's pretty good though for a first soap to be colorful and fragrant. So now you may want to even out the top a little, just tap it, like if you grab.
Tap it with what?
I'll show you when you're done with
Do
it.
I do tap it like this or
Yeah, no, yeah. You
shake
lift
this?
it. Just a little bit. Make sure it doesn't. You don't want to splatter.
Like that?
Yeah, like that. So it sort of evens it out, so it's not bumpy. That's enough. And now, if you want, you can do the.
This?
Yeah, you can.
What do I do? This?
Why don't you try doing this back and forth around this?
Just
one?
like this?
Yeah, and see if you like it on the first view.
No, I like this.
You do. You could do them closer together,
Yes.
or you could also do that. Whichever you like. Alright, so I put this later when you went away to insulate it.
Should I take this off?
Mm-hmm.
It's soft. Huh. Colors are much lighter.
Yeah, and I did test it. See, it's released.
Should I
Like
pull
it's
this out?
clean. Yeah, you could.
So now how do we take it out?
So I'm gonna put it like this, and I'm going to start pushing. So the seal is broken.
Let me do. Oh, there. I see it. Oh, wow. It
I
looks...
damaged the head. Oh, but it looks very colorful. See?
Hmm.
And you can see the glimmer, the glitter.
Yes.
Then I'm going to.
Very
It's still soft. Huh. Yeah, very soft. I'm gonna
But, yeah.
push them all. Maybe this will be just to see.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that!
Ooh, that came out good.
Those are the yeah. That's nice. I like how those looks. The orange and the white.
Yes.
And
Very nice.
you like it?
Yeah, I like it. Oh, I like those.
We could try and cut
It's
from
better
the
than
other
I thought.
end.
I thought it wouldn't even come out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's causing it's soft.
It is soft, so we'll just cut one from the other end, and then we'll let it sit.
So, okay. Here we are, cut it. Just go down slowly.
Or fast, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Huh, that one's different.
Yes. This one has, let's see. This one has more green and orange there. And this one has blue.
Yeah. Smells good.
Oh yeah.
Very citrusy. Okay, so
All right.
we'll cut the rest later. That's it. Good.